They did a research on a set of 3 different groups of people who wanted to stop smoking. To the first set of people, they said that if you stop smoking, we will put your name in our social media pages. And to the second set of people, they said, if you stop smoking, we will give you $10. And the third set of people, they said, you have to deposit $2,000 to take part in this exercise, and you will get back the $2,000 if you do not touch a cigarette for at least 6 months after the first 3 months. Now, can you imagine which group stopped smoking cigarettes? You may think, is it 1? No. 2? No. It's the third group. The third group, more than 62% of the people stopped smoking cigarettes compared to group number 1 and group number 2. So when you put an extra price on something for people to pay, then it reduces their distraction and increases their commitment. The third is called as identity packs. In the world of NLP, which I teach, neuro-linguistic programming, identity plays a huge role. They did a research study for people who were going to vote in elections. So the first group of people, they asked a question, how important is it for you to vote? And pay attention carefully. To the second group, they asked, how important is it for you to be a voter? And they observed the second set of people showed 26% more interest in voting compared to the first group, because how important is it to be a voter is directly changing their identity. How important is it for you to vote is just an action. So when you also alter your identity, like I am a committed person versus I am a disciplined person, I am an action taker, I am a goal achiever. When you program these identities into you, you will see that your distractions reduces drastically. So remember, effort packs, price packs, and identity packs are the 3 tools which you can use to cut your distraction and become more functional, more efficient, and more productive, which will help you become more successful. Thank you so much. Signing off with love, Magical Rafi.